Alright, so I just made a video about the new Upchurch song that came out today. I missed it. He released another song yesterday also. So I'm going to listen to that, give my review on it. I wasn't the most happiest with his most recent song that came out today. Thought it had some problems with like production wise. But this is Upchurch Heavier Rain. So yeah. Sounds very like Viking sounding. Did that make sense?
I almost died to a flash flood in the spring of 2010. Every time thunder struck, it was hella loud, pounding in the back of my ear. Pictures burn in my brain, still make my spine shiver.
See, that's not even the problem I have with him, is like his singing. I think he's a great singer and stuff. His rapping I don't care for at all, really. I think the singing's where he's best at, whether it be country or rock. So I like this better than the last track. Just the way it sounds better.
The dead lifestyle and old work trucks floating to the mouth of the river. Old folks on the roof praying to God can get baptized in the dark old river. So when you threaten me, it's exciting.
I'm sorry for pausing, but I don't know. It sounds like a guitar playing in the instrumental, but he's holding a guitar and not picking at the guitar. So I just think that's weird to point out. I just wanted to point it out.
See how you think you scared me, mister. So if the record labels try to drown me out, you'll see crazy eyes and a crooked smile sitting on my mouth. And I ain't made of sugar, I carry no shame, 'cause I've seen heavier rain. Yeah, I'm rebel tough, still carry no shame, 'cause I've seen heavier rain. Heavier rain. I've seen heavier rain. I've seen some chase the standard, famous and pampered for the self, make no decision. Some like the danger, back road cocaine, and 6-speed Chevy transmissions. Tell mainstream I said, come get some. You won't even know you're bigger, 'cause this country boy ain't a label's play toy. I come from the mouth of the river. So if the record labels try to drown me out, you'll see crazy eyes and a crooked smile sitting on my mouth. And I ain't made of sugar, I carry no shame, 'cause I've seen heavier rain. Yeah, I'm rebel tough, still carry no shame, 'cause I've seen heavier.
Listening to it, and I know I haven't paused in a minute. I do like this a lot better, like I said. It's got like a medieval sound to it with the guitar, but I do like it a lot better. It just has a better sound to it.
Rain, heavier rain.
Chorus and everything is better. Don't remember the song has a
I've
chorus.
seen heavier rain.
That's impressive. He's the one playing that.
Sink or you swim, son, I've been on a limb as people's life gets swept from their fences. And Paul died, the boy seen his first grandson saddle up country music and tame it. So if the record labels try to drown me out, you'll see crazy eyes and a crooked smile sitting on my mouth. And I ain't made of sugar, I carry no shame, 'cause I've seen heavier rain. Yeah, I'm rebel tough, still carry no shame, 'cause I've seen heavier rain, heavier rain. I've seen heavier rain. Yeah, I've seen heavier rain.
I like this a lot better. Probably didn't have much of a reaction to it. I did like it. I probably was bobbing my head. So, yeah, I think it was a lot better. So, if you like it, leave a like, subscribe. Thanks.